Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the latest working codes for Robloxsteal or Brainrots. These new codes can give you free rewards, boosts, and other exclusive in-game benefits, so make sure you don't miss a single one. Let's get straight into the newly released codes. First code, make sure you type it exactly as shown, because Roblox codes are case-sensitive. Once you redeem this code, you'll instantly receive your reward inside the game. Now moving on to the next working code. This one is still active and available right now, but it may expire soon, so I highly recommend redeeming it as quickly as possible. Here comes another brand new code for Steala Brainrots. After redeeming this code, you should see your rewards added immediately, as long as the code is still valid. And finally, this is the latest code available at the moment. If this code doesn't work for you, it most likely means it has already expired, or you may have redeemed it before. That's all the new working codes for Robloxsteal or Brainrots for now. I will keep updating you with new codes as soon as they are released, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your rewards in Steala Brainrots.